Hello guys, we're back, and I came back to find out that Skylers sort of cheated.
I did not cheat, okay?
He didn't buy anything.
Okay, guys, tell me if this is cheating or not. Playing while we aren't recording.
Yeah, they have no...
Comment your opinions. Comment your opinions.
I have no proof that you got those in a loot bag, because I wasn't even there.
Dude, are you kidding me? This... Why would I buy this kind of stuff?
I don't know. Maybe to impress me. Didn't work, Stubby.
And it works. Buying tier 6 stuff impressed me.
I know, right?
Buying tier 6 and tier 2 stuff impressed me.
I know, right? Sad to say it did.
I got a paramount dexterity, by the way, that I'm gonna...
Alright, now say it.
First, we have to... For one, any treasures we get, we have to feed. But I think, to make it more interesting, we have to... when we get them, we have to feed them to ourselves by double-clicking them, so that we get the trophies.
Wait, what do those even do? I forgot.
I have no idea. I think it's just more fame bonus when you die.
I need to look that up on YouTube.
I think it's more fame bonus when you die. Pause the video while you look it up.
What? YouTube.
Alright, so yeah, we'll be right back while we go figure this out. Here we.
Alright guys, we're back and
I have the hiccups again.
Yep. I found out that the treasures do nothing at all. Kabam hasn't told us yet. So we have no clue. Unless you guys know what they do. Yeah.
So we just have to feed them. I'm just gonna feed them then.
Yep.
Until they tell us what they do, I'm just gonna feed them.
It probably like gives you a random.
Oh, my pizza rolls are done. BRB.
Pizza? What? Oh, you got pizza rolls. So basically what happened when the episode ended, our second episode ended, basically me and Skyler, well, I ordered a pizza from Domino's, right? It got here while the video was uploaded still. And basically took him...
Pizza rolls plus water, plus water equals, no more hiccups.
I was telling them what happened. And then so basically, he was still on the curb. It took the fucker 7 minutes to walk up to my house. Knock on the door, and then I open it, I give him the money, he gives me pizza thing, and literally, I opened the pizza box. Like, I totally forgot to open the pizza box when I got it. So, I get in my house, I opened the pizza box, find out that the pizza wasn't even cut.
Oh,
and just like, what the fuck? So then I had to cut it myself.
Pizza?
Like, yes, that's what I'm saying. Like, really?
You should sue him for that deal. Like, I want my money back, bitch.
I should've. Like, you're gonna...
Should've ran down. If it takes him that long to get to your house with the pizza, it should take him that long to get back in the freaking car.
Yeah, no,
I got pee.
I got 0.
Oh my god. I got a freaking hallucination prism. Oh god.
And
hot pizza rolls.
I have an actual pizza. I'm not eating it though. That'd be so weird.
Hashtag beholder for the win. Hashtag not a beholder for the win.
Hashtag Sprite Whip for the win.
Really? Wow.
Right
I think I see it. Oh yeah, but it's dirty up there, bro.
So clean up there, bro.
We gotta clean. Oh, do you want to do Sprite World or UDL? Oh, how about let's Nexus first?
I'm gonna get on that UDL.
Wait, don't go in yet.
And IDC. I just freaking DC.
I was dying anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
I have 51 decks. So, which one? Beholder?
Yeah, beholder. Oh crap.
Life keeps running and the roads keep running.
Sprite got it, I think.
Rub.
Oh, never mind.
Rub. Rub. I just keep rubbing.
Rub.
Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. Rub. And rubbing. I need more HP pots. Just keep some.
Right, God.
And you start wops. I'm actually starting to like this Slayer stuff.
Oh, cube God.
Who said I was doing it though?
I don't want to do it.
Yeah, we're more than likely going to die. Where'd that ant god go? Where'd the ant god come from?
I don't know.
I'm randomly...
I still have the cube God on mine, so if you TP, you'll probably get the cube God.
I don't know. I might die. If I die, I'm gonna have to restart the whole series, and I'm gonna have to delete every single video.
Then go to Nexus.
What if I can't Nexus in time? What if I get insta-killed? Like my knight.
Go to Nexus. You can go to Nexus right now like I did 10. Let's meet up.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm coming. Hold it.
Episode 1 was called Hiccups. Episode 2 was called No Hiccups. And episode 3 is going to be called The Hiccups Return. Alright. Start playing.
Ah!
He just got randomly dead.
Pizza rolls kill.
Oh my god. That was freaking hilarious. You're just like, ooh.
Tier 6 Avengers down there.
Oh, that's what the game on.
That's what I was trying to get in there, in the UDL too.
Oh my god, that was freaking hilarious. You're just sitting there eating a pizza roll, and then out of nowhere, you get ganked. Oh my god. And there goes me. Ooh, that lucky Nexus. Alright, so Sprite World's for the win. Oh, I need a better spell, and boots in the bag.
I have a tier 2 spell.
Alright, cool, bro. Watch me get a T3 or something, or a T4.
Watch me get like a tier 9.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, just like they add tier 9. Tier 9 is
Alright, don't even try to talk anymore. You're just like...
There's like randomly, Oryx too. Fucking tier 9. Fucking Bell. Oh, TP, right?
Sprite World. Sprite.
You TP to me, there's like 3 different
Sprite Worlds. Sprite World TV. I think a night went in here. Alright.
Doesn't matter. You can help us.
So guys, this is episode 3 of the Wither TV.
Probably gonna get 0.
What if I talk like that? I'm like, oh guys, this is episode.
Hello guys, this is a new MPE. Oh my god, yes.
Sound like Neutral Man and I'm Aimer put together.
I am like Skyler Vasquez and like Skyler Vasquez put together.
Josh commented on our first video. He said, "Funny, I'm Josh." Hey Skyler, and I'm just like, what? And then I was like, "Thanks for watching. It would help us out a lot if you drop the like and subscribe." And then put a smiley face. Did you literally just leave for? Did you just leave when I like did that huge? That's so.
Yeah, I did. I was just like,
just freaking leave me, and you literally asked, "What did he say?" And I'm saying what he's saying, and just freaking. Woo! I go.
Shows how much I care.
You asked me, so.
No, I was still listening. I mean, it's not like leaving the freaking thing will make me not hear you.
Holy crap. Alright, just stop trying to talk, alright?
You're the bad girl.
Oh my god. Another Avenger stat. Josh can be the newbie Necro. Like always. He always tries
No,
to...
this is a wizard. He cannot be a necromancer. This is a wizard PPE.
He would always try to make a wizard. No, a wizard and a Necro, and he just automatically die out of nowhere. And then you have like some of the stuff that we gave him. It'd be hilarious. We wouldn't say it in front of him though. Spruce World.
Wait, do TP. I have like a whole bunch of Medusas on me.
Sprint World.
Dude, I would like to get some bags from this.
Alright, I had to go in. I almost died. I bet you YouTube saw it. And there's what up, Herbie? I hate the Herbie.
For some reason, I just got a defense pot. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that's what you said 400 times.
Thank you. I think I just got trench. Oh. Oh.
The nights keep stunning and the roads keep running.
Oh, you know that song?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love you.
You sound just like Justin, yeah. I bet you guys.
Nights keep stunning, roads keep running. If Horace thinks he's run, he's got another thing coming.
So freaking hot in that song.
Too
Holy
God.
crap! Almost died. Some people buffed a lich, and I'm just attacking it.
Dude, we're gonna get copyrighted so hard by the guy.
Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yes. And oh my god, even more,
Ooh.
yes. Oh my god, even more, yes. I'm loving this right now.
One fucking you in the ass.
Oh my god, dude. I just found. Alright, so guess what just happened? Like, just guess.
What just happened?
Alright, that's a guess. But
Shit yourself.
so, I found a great coil snake. I was like, oh my god, yes, yes, yes. I look in the chest and I find a T2 spell. And I'm like, oh yes. And then I kill the great temple snake and then drops a forbidden jungle and I'm like, even more, yes. Yeah.
Then you go in and you realize that the boss is dead, then you're like, even less, no.
No, even more no. Or even less, yes. I'm not even clearing, I don't, these things are joking. You must be speaking of my bro.
Whoa.
Sat on it like boss. Josh should come with us. We'll give one lucky commenter. Alright, we'll give one lucky commenter. Like, if... I kind of feel bad, because if we do let one of the commenters into the PPE, they're going to have Skype. That's our only way of communicating.
Yeah, that's we don't have Mumble, we don't have TeamSpeak, so it's our only way of communicating, guys. So if you do, you gotta get Skype. It's hard to say. And just to say, I'm not getting TeamSpeak, I'm not getting Mumble, so don't ask. Oh my god, there's another cube god.
Some people were asking me on a video I made, why did you copy, how did I get 0? Why did I copy someone else's mouse cursor? And I'm like, what? I didn't copy anybody's, this is my standard mouse cursor. It's black and the outline is white. Like, are you kidding me? You really think, like, are you kidding me? The computer that I'm using, this is the regular mouse cursor. This is what it's preset to. Oh my god. Like 50 seconds left in the video.
Well, guys, that concludes our third video. Or, yeah, third, right?
The Scotia, yeah. Yeah, this, and another coil snake, so. Alright! Does he come in here? I'm guaranteed he's not. Alright. So, guys, I will be back after I finish this. Alright. I will be back after I finish this Forbidden Jungle Alright, adios amigos. See you on episode 4. Bye.